I was super excited.
I was really excited because
it was just like a weight was lifted off of you, knowing that somebody saw you, recognized you, and wanted to help you out. I've been an FFA for 4 years, my whole high school career.
FFA is the organization of people that want to be involved in agriculture in the future. I know this year I've made tons of friends, and we go on fun trips. We just get to hang out and be ourselves.
I've gained public speaking skills, confidence, responsibility, especially like with my SAE.
So an SAE project is a Supervised Agricultural Experience.
So a Supervised Agricultural Experience is classified as an SAE. That is where students do agriculture-related projects or just build entrepreneurship skills, like mine is floor design.
I chose equine science as my project because it focused on horses, which was what I was passionate about.
I'm raising livestock as mine. I'm raising show chickens, and I'm raising a small herd of show cattle.
I've actually got several. I've got, my big one is floor designs. So that's door hangers, wreaths, all the little florally stuff. I'm also doing agriculture communications, so I've been going around doing broadcast segments with farmers and ag businesses in our area. And I'm also doing agriculture education, so that comes in with bulletin boards and just trying to work a little more with people.
I've been riding horses all my life, but I never really got into rodeo until one of my friends had been rodeoing for a long time, and it just seemed like really fun, and I wanted to try it too. Dusty is my barrel horse, and he's the reason why I'm where I am today. Dusty is 18 years old. We went to Oklahoma to get him. It was a long drive there and back, but it was completely worth it. He's gained my trust, I've gained his trust, and that's really important. Doing this takes a lot of your time, just traveling places, training, but in the end, it's all worth it because I love it.
FFA has been a huge part of my life because my cousin's an ag teacher. I've always grown up on a farm. I've had all kinds of experiences with animals and stuff. My sister got involved into it when she was a freshman, and it's just kind of a simple way of life and a way to get connected with people with other interests like you. I want to be an ag teacher, and I want to be involved mainly in animals because the other stuff like greenhouse, all of that sounds so fun. I've raised plants and all that, but animals are like living things that you have to take care of, and you have to interact with them daily and make sure that they're okay and just check on them.
I recently received a grant from Kentucky FFA when they partnered with Hudson, and that helped me fund dentist and chiropractic work on my horses. It's important because it keeps my horse in shape, keeps them healthy, and it keeps them feeling its best all the time.
This year, the grant that Hudson gave me really helped with getting all of my supplies because at first it was kind of a struggle, like, ooh, how am I going to get this? Because paint, wood, all of that stuff is actually, once you add it all together, it's very costly. So it jump-started everything, and then I was able to start publishing stuff that I've made, donating stuff I've made. Just really was a blessing in itself to be given it. I was called into the ag shop by myself, and I thought she was getting ready to tell me that I didn't get the grant. And then I was about to start crying. Like, it was just emotional because at first I was like, I'm never gonna get this. I'm a senior. There's no way I can get it. And then she's like, here's your little check. And then I'm about to start bawling, and I'm happy. It was just like a weight was lifted off of you, knowing that somebody saw you, recognized you, and wanted to help you out.